I want to watch a movie today.
That sounds like a great idea.
I feel a little tired. I need something fun.
A movie can help you relax.
Yes, I like sitting and watching.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I like the big screen.
Me too. The sound is very good.
It feels exciting inside.
What kind of movie do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh.
That is nice. I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting.
Yes, they are full of energy.
Do you want to choose a movie together?
Yes, let's decide together.
What time do you want to go?
Maybe in the afternoon.
That is good. I am free today.
Great. Let's go to the cinema and check.
Yes, we can buy tickets there.
I like buying tickets at the counter.
Me too. It feels more real.
Yes, it is fun.
Are you ready to go now?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go together.
Okay, let's go.
The cinema is not very far.
Yes, we can walk there.
The weather is nice today.
I like walking in this weather.
Me too. It feels fresh.
Look, we are near the cinema.
Yes, I can see the building.
It looks big and busy.
There are many people outside.
Maybe many people want to watch movies today.
Yes, it looks like a busy day.
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, it is very bright inside.
And very clean.
I like this place.
Me too. It looks nice.
Let's check the movie posters.
Yes, I want to see what is playing.
This one is a comedy movie,
It looks funny.
and this one is an action movie.
It looks exciting.
Which one do you like more?
I think I want the comedy movie.
Good choice. I want to laugh today.
Me too.
Let's go to the ticket counter.
Yes, let's buy the tickets.
Hello, we want 2 tickets.
2 tickets for the comedy movie, please.
What time is the next show?
Yes, what time does it start?
The staff says it starts at 5 p.m.
That is perfect.
Do you want normal seats or VIP seats?
I think normal seats are fine.
Yes, normal seats are good.
Can we sit in the middle?
Yes, the middle seats are best.
I like the middle view.
Me too. It is comfortable.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
We have our tickets now.
Great. I feel excited.
Me too.
We have some time before the movie.
Yes, about 20 minutes.
Let's walk around.
Okay, let's look around.
There are many shops here.
Yes, and many people.
Do you want to take a photo?
Yes, let's take a photo.
Smile.
Okay, now let's get snacks.
Yes, snacks are important.
I want popcorn.
Me too.
Do you want a big or small popcorn?
I want a medium one.
I will get a big one.
Do you like sweet or salty?
I like salty popcorn.
Me too.
What drink do you want?
I want orange juice.
I want soda.
Do you want candy?
Yes, just a small one.
Okay, let's buy it.
I will pay this time.
Thank you. Next time I will pay.
Deal.
Haha, good deal.
Let's go to the hall.
Yes, show the tickets at the door.
Here are our tickets.
The staff is very friendly.
Yes, they are smiling.
Let's find our seats.
Row G, seats 10 and 11.
Here they are.
These seats are very comfortable.
Yes, I like them.
The screen is very big.
It looks amazing.
I feel happy now.
Me too.
The movie will start soon.
The lights are going down.
It is getting dark.
The movie's starting.
Shh, let's watch.
This movie is very funny.
I like it a lot.
The actors are very good.
Yes, they are very funny.
I like this part.
Me too. It is so silly.
I cannot stop laughing.
This is my favorite scene.
Mine too.
The movie is very interesting.
Yes, it keeps my attention.
I like the story.
It is simple and fun.
I feel very relaxed now.
Me too.
The movie is almost finished.
Time goes fast.
Yes, it was very enjoyable.
I am happy we came here.
Me too.
The movie is over now.
That was amazing.
I really liked it.
I laughed so much.
Haha, yes, it was great.
Do you want to watch another movie next time?
Yes, of course.
Maybe next time we watch an action movie.
Good idea.
Let's go outside now.
Okay, let's go.
It feels bright outside.
Yes, after the dark cinema.
I had a great day.
Me too. It was fun.
Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you too.
Let's come again next week.
Yes, I would love that.
See you soon.
See you soon.